Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Here is Dipankar. So recently in my comment section, someone asked me to make a video on RROS installation in Android without losing custom recovery. So guys, without any further delay, let's start. First of all, you will need 3 files. I will give the downloading link in my description. So first you need to boot your device in your recovery mode, and after that just follow my steps. So first we need to install our main ROM, which is the RROS. After the installation of the main ROM, you have to also flash the GApps. You have to download your GApp which is supported for your device. I have taken the Pico type. You can take anyone. After that, we have to flash our last file, which is the lazy flasher. After flashing all these files, you have to reboot your device. Sometimes it takes around 10 to 15 minutes to boot up. Now guys, as you can see that my device had started and our RROS had been installed in our device. So guys, now we will check that does we lose our recovery or not. So guys, let's again reboot to our recovery mode. So guys, as you can see that we does not lose our custom recovery mode. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like and share. And if you are new to my channel, then hit that subscribe button and that bell icon to get instantly notification of my upcoming videos. Bye.